Hey creators, welcome to day 24 of the AI Plus SEO Mastery Challenge. Today's strategy, create local SEO pages using AI to rank in multiple cities. Here's your step-by-step. Step 1, use ChatGPT to generate location-based service page content. Step 2, include city-specific keywords, FAQs, and schema markup. Step 3, use a tool like Notion or Google Sheets to generate multiple pages at scale. This method is perfect for service businesses targeting different regions, and it boosts your visibility on Google Maps and local packs. Bonus tip: add unique images or Google Maps embeds for each location to improve local relevance. Tomorrow is day 25. Use AI to create Google My Business posts automatically.